Kartika Singh and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification on. Also, do follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Okay, so by the title you already know that this is a Nykaa haul. So Nykaa recently had a Pink Friday sale and I bought quite a few items from this. Some are skincare and some are makeup. So the video will be in two parts. In this video I'll be showing you all the makeup stuff, and in the next video I'll be showing you skincare, body care and some hair care stuff. So now let's get started. Okay, so this will not be just a Nykaa haul. Along with the Nykaa haul, I'll show you beginners makeup affordable kit. So if you are someone who are just beginning with makeup, this video will be very helpful for you. Every item is super affordable, that is under $2.99 except one item. So yeah, now let's get started. So for moisturizer or primer, I usually don't use primers because I don't have as such many pores. So I usually go with like very creamy moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer I usually use. I bought this chotu one and also a bigger one. So this is Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer with vitamin E. So since this moisturizer has vitamin E, it is very good for your skin and creates a barrier between the makeup and your face. It will protect your face from the makeup. So this is like very good for people with dry skin. I am a dry skin person and this feels like dream. It is super moisturized and this is very good for winters. So first of all, let's move on with the base makeup. So I have two options for you guys. So the first one is this Lakme 925cc Complexion Care Cream. So if you are someone who wants like a very daily basis kind of cream foundation, so this is perfect. This will provide moisturization for your face as well as it will give like a very light foundation kind of look. This one is perfect. So I have this in the shade beige. So beige shade is perfect for people with medium to dark skin tones like me. It looks very natural and gives you a very glowy look. And the second one is very obvious, everyone's favorite, Maybelline Fit Me. So I bought this small one because I don't use it as such. So expiry getters, I bought the small one. So this is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And trust me guys, this is the best foundation available in market. You cannot have a better foundation. This gives such a glowy and natural look. This doesn't feel like foundation. I don't know how to explain it, but this one is beautiful. Okay, so now let's move on with the concealer. So this product is a bit overhyped and also overpriced. So I bought this on recommendations of some beauty bloggers, but I think that it isn't worth the price. So this is LA Girl Pro Conceal. So you get this small tube for $6.95, which I think is overpriced. Yeah, it does the job of a concealer, I mean it will, but this is overpriced. You can easily get the Maybelline one for $300 and $400 and it will do the equally good job. But yeah, this is beautiful. You can go for it. You can also go for the Maybelline Age Rewind, which is a stick concealer. That one is also very beautiful. Okay, now this is in the shade. Okay, let me find. I can't find it. I'll mention it below. So yeah, go for it if you want. Okay, so now let's move on with the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup first, I have this eyeshadow palette. Okay, let me show you the colors. So see, the colors are so beautiful and gorgeous. This one is like perfect for nude kind of makeup. Let me swatch the colors for you. So the colors are like super pigmented and they look so gorgeous. Okay, just look at this. This one is the black, this one is champagne shade and this one is rose gold. So they are super pigmented and they look gorgeous. Okay, so you can also go for the Wet n Wild Nude Awakening. That one is also perfect for nude kind of look. But if you want to go like for bold colors, go for the Makeup Revolution. They have gorgeous palettes. Now let's move on with the eyeliners. So for the eyeliner, I have our very own Lakme Insta Liner. So this one is so affordable and does the job brilliantly. I don't think there is any other liner at this price better than this one. For the mascara, I have Maybelline the Hypercurl Mascara. So this one is very gorgeous. It gives length and volume to your eyelashes. But the only problem with this is that it is waterproof. So don't go for this one unless you have to cry with your mascara on. You will struggle like anything to take this off from your eyes, and the struggle is real, guys. So that's the only problem. Otherwise it's very good. So you can either go for like the Maybelline normal mascara, the yellow one, that is also very good. Okay, so I just forgot to show this one. This is a kajal. So I think kajal look very beautiful on Indian eyes, so you must try this one. So this is a Maybelline kajal. So I always switch between Maybelline and Lakme. So I'm thinking of making a video like Maybelline versus Lakme kajal and lip balms. Comment me down below if you want any such videos. So yeah, this is what I think इसका price था 180 या 190 something like this. ये बहुत long lasting है. Even if you wash off your eyes, it won't come off easily. Now let's move on with the lips. So the first one is this Nykaa ka lip color. So this is what the shade looks like. Very beautiful, very nude. So this is in the shade Cinnamon Crunch. Perfect if you want like that nude kind of shade. You can mix this with this Baby Lips ka Cherry Kiss and it looks perfect. So talking about the formula, it's very creamy, but you can feel dry after some point of time, but it's okay. You can use it with lip balms. Just look at the color, guys. It's so beautiful. It's looking like a little pink on the camera, but it actually perfectly nude. Okay, so now let's move on with the last part, that is highlighters. Okay, so you must be wondering that why don't I have blushes and contours, because I mostly use my lip colors as my blush and I don't like contours because I think that's too unnatural for real life. You don't use contours in your real life. Okay, so for the highlighter I have two options. So the first one is this. So this is a stick highlighter. So this is what it looks like. One side it has the highlighter and the other side it has a sponge to blend it. So this is from the brand Swiss Beauty and this is in the shade 05. Very gorgeous, but it is like a bit over glittery and over, I know you get that, right? Okay, so the second one is this Maybelline Master Chrome. So this is what it looks like. This is in the shade Molten Gold. So just look at this. Just look at the shade. This one is so gorgeous. It gives a perfect glow and it looks so natural. It is very creamy and it will not look like chunky on your face, if you understand that. I don't know what am I saying. So overall this one is like very beautiful, but this is a bit overpriced as compared to this one. This one is for like 450 I guess, and this one is like for 200. So both are beautiful. You can buy any one of this. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe that you get the notification for my part 2 of this video. Also drop down some comment, guys, what more videos you want. Do you want some challenges, food challenges, fashion challenges, vlogs? What do you want? Okay, till then, see you. Bye.